Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we are on the road out to PEI, Prince Edward Island, and we are stopped for the night in just outside of Quebec City at the Econo Lodge. They have a quick key to enter, and we were actually surprised at how spacious the room is, and it looks like it's recently been redone. As you walk in, you do have your iron, some hangers if you need this place for business. We have been using the room already, so this is the morning we're leaving. So excuse the mess a little bit. Here's the washroom, standard washroom with a rain shower and a handheld, which is nice. The fan is a little loud. And then here's the room. A nice king-size bed with a pull-out couch. For some odd reason, 2 TVs, a microwave, some storage, bar fridge to keep any snacks cold, your ice box, and a view of the next door. Next to the bedside, you do have your plugs to plug in your phones and such. But I do not see any USB ports, so you will need to bring your adapters. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of the Econo Lodge Inn Suites in Saint-Apollinaire, Quebec, just outside of Quebec City. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.